Hi guys, today we are doing something that I have been waiting my entire life for. We are trying Japanese McDonald's. So if you guys have been living under a rock and have not been keeping up with my TikTok, my Instagram, my vlog channel, I've been in Japan for the past couple of weeks and I've been having the best vacation ever. Be sure to go check out my TikTok because I've been posting so many different videos there. I did daily vlogs on my vlog channel. Today we are nearing the end of our trip and I have my period. Sorry if that's TMI, but I am tired, bloated, just craving all food. So I Uber Eats McDonald's to the hotel room and I'm gonna try a bunch of fun Japanese treats. I'm also saving a couple of these things to try on TikTok, so go check that out if you want to see. So if you guys didn't know, a lot of fast food restaurants here in Japan have like the things that they have in America, but they also have specialty items that you can only get here, and that goes for a lot of different countries. I'm hungry, so let's get into this. I have this bag here, and to be fully honest, I don't know everything that I ordered. I just put a bunch of stuff into my cart and we're gonna see together. First up, we have the ebi burger, which ebi means shrimp. Oh my goodness. First off, I love the pink packaging. Here is what we're working with. They do have a regular Filet-O-Fish here, which I'm a Filet-O-Fish girl through and through, but this is obviously just like a different take kind of on a Filet-O-Fish situation. So in here, there's iceberg lettuce, some sort of tartar sauce, Thousand Island situation. The shrimp cutlet, it's like a shrimp fried patty. And then I think we have little diced onions, but I am ready and I am hungry. So let's get into it. Oh my God, it's so good. Here is the inside of the shrimp patty. There's like actual shrimps in there. Also, let me pull up prices for you. So this is called the shrimp filet-o and it was 400 yen. I can't stop eating this. This is honestly a solid like 8.5 out of 10. The shrimp are actually pretty juicy. I will say the actual patty itself is less crispy than when I get a Filet-O-Fish at home. That might be because it got delivered, but still really, really, really good. All right, now I need something to wash that down and I did get a drink. Okay, here's our beautiful drink. Oh my goodness, it looks like a gorgeous ocean water. It looks like an AMF, to be honest. So this is the McFizz yogurt flavor. I'm kind of expecting it to taste maybe like a ramune or something like that. Here we go. I'm not usually the biggest soda fan, but I do love me a good soda. It tastes like a melted popsicle and you really do get that yogurty flavor. Like it tastes creamy, but as you can tell, it's not really creamy. Whoa. It tastes like a ramune, which is like a Japanese soda, kind of like a Sprite-ish flavor with like a Yakult yogurt drink poured in. I love it. It's very refreshing. This on a hot day would be absolutely amazing. Like these two together, yeah. This was 270 yen. Honestly, kind of pricey when the burgers are like 400, but really good. 8 out of 10. Wow, I love this already. Okay, next up, let's go in here. I think we've got some sides. I wanna mix it up a little bit. Yes! Of course, we've got regular McDonald's French fries. Definitely not the freshest. Again, that could have been because they were delivered though. Tastes like the fries that I get every week at home. But something that's really cool and different here is you can order flavor packets. This is the Shaka potato Jaga butter seasoning. So basically, you take the bag, and if you see on the photos here, you take the fries, you dump them in, and then you take the little seasoning packet. First, I need to try the seasoning on its own. A little powder. Oh my God, that was a lot of flavors all at once. It's got this like umami flavor. It's kind of cheesy, kind of spicy, kind of oniony. I was expecting like straight up butter. It kind of has like a hint of movie theater butter popcorn seasoning, kind of. Just a hint, definitely more than I was expecting though. Okay, now we put this in and then you shake it up. Now our fries are nice and coated. If you can see, they went from like a regular fry to a coated fry. Okay, the fries on their own, they're definitely floppy if you can see, not even crispy in the slightest. Like I would give this fry where it's at right now a 3, when normally I give a fresh McDonald's fry a 10. So the fries are not great, but the seasoning on it, those are really good. It's just unlike any flavor I've ever had before in my life. So unique, but really good. I like that a lot. Our Shaka potatoes were 230 yen. Next up, I did get a couple pies, but I'm gonna try these on TikTok. I have a chocolate pudding pie and a bacon potato pie, so go check out my TikTok if you guys wanna see these. All right, let's try another burger. This one I was really excited about. This is the Sweet Thing, what a beautiful name. Sweet Thing Teriyaki McBurger. They had a teriyaki burger, and then they also did a teriyaki chicken filet situation. If you give me the option between a burger and a chicken sandwich, I will almost always pick the burger. So that's what I did today. Here is our glaze burger. I know these are very popular here. It's kind of giving me McRib vibes. vibes with the sauce coating. On here, we've got a sesame bun. We've got the patty itself. Oh, it looks like some mayo. I love a good mayo. Lettuce, the sauce, the patty, and that's it. And there is a copious amount of that sauce, if you can see. And I am making a mess. All right, here's the burger. Okay, teriyaki burger is good. I probably have sauce all over my face also.
Good.
I feel like
really
between the two, I definitely prefer the shrimp over the teriyaki. This was interesting. I like it. It's solid. I'm going to eat more. I feel like the teriyaki sauce is not super strong. It's like a very subtle sauce. And there is, obviously it's a bun, but there is a lot of bread. So I feel like it kind of gets lost with all the flavors. And I think I'd rate this solid 6 out of 10. Oh, also the teriyaki McBurger was 370 yen. Oh, shoot. I just realized I ordered 2 of them. I think this is one of their specials. And I think this is from the anime My Hero Academia. Let me go ask our resident anime expert. I was just kidding. It's actually from an anime called One Piece. But you already knew that, didn't you? I apologize. The only anime that I really have ever seen is Inuyasha and Attack on Titan. So these seem to be some sort of special though, and it's like a chicken burger. So this chicken tatsuta was 420 yen. I was trying to figure out what is on these burgers, but they wouldn't tell me on the website. Oh wait, this is the plain one, the chicken tatsuta. So it looks to be like a puffy little bun. The bun already looks really yummy, almost like a brioche. Then we've got a chicken patty. Then we've got some cabbage and some sort of sauce. It almost looks like Big Mac sauce maybe. Let's give her a bite. I'm also a cabbage girl through and through, so I think I'm gonna like this. I like it. It's just very plain. The bun itself is massive, very, very, very soft. The chicken, I don't know, it looks better than it tastes, I will say. Like, doesn't it look delicious and crispy and like flavorful? It's really kind of soggy, which I mean, again, it's delivery, so I have to take that into account. It tastes like, I mean, it just tastes like the chicken sandwich that Cal gets from McDonald's, which is the, Cal, what chicken sandwich do you get at McDonald's? The McChicken. The sauce itself, just like a creamy mayo sauce. It's not bad. I think Cal would really like this again because he loves like a chicken sandwich and will die for a McChicken. This one, however, did intrigue me. This is the same sandwich, but it has some sort of thing on there. I'm not sure what this is, and again, it didn't say on the menu, so I wanted to try it. It's like a yuzu daikon relish. That's actually really good. This might be what it was missing. Okay, let's try a bite with all this together now. 1, 2, 3. That is already so much better. I feel like the yuzu adds like a nice zing that it was missing because it was so plain before. If you like a plain chicken sandwich, that one would be definitely up your alley. This is just a little bit more fun. Let me look how much this one cost. This one was 460 yen. Wow, that really adds a nice flavor. And I think it's so crazy you can get a yuzu radish sauce at McDonald's. Honestly, this might have been my favorite one of the day. That creamy mayo with like the zingy sauce goes so well together. The chicken itself is fine. I mean, I would love this with like a beef patty or put that shrimp patty on here. I mean, I'm sure you could do that. That sounds delicious. Plain gets a solid 6. It was good. I was waiting for it to be great. This, 8.5. Whew, okay, I'm getting full. I also probably have like sauce all over my face this entire video. And last but not least, we have another fun item. This is the Shaka Chicken, and you could choose between 2 flavors. There was cheese and there was red pepper. I personally went with the cheese packet. Yet again, it's another fun flavor shaken experience. So as you can see here on the packaging, we open up our little flavor packet. I'm gonna feel ill after this. Okay, now this smells like cheesy popcorn seasoning. Not too salty either, which I appreciate. Okay, let's actually just see the chicken alone. Here's our, oh my God, looks like a thigh. Let's try this plain. Crunchy. This is fabulous. This on a sandwich, hell yeah. Okay, chicken alone, which obviously you can't eat it alone, but I am here for the experience. So we've got our cheese powder on there. You roll it up and you shake till it's nice and fully coated. And then it says to open, so we rip here. So cool. And now we have our coated chicken patty. Whoa. Oh my God. The cheese powder is like just ever so salty, kind of sweet, obviously cheesy, and it goes so well with the salty, crispy, hot, it's still hot chicken. I would put this in my top 5 things I've ever eaten at McDonald's. Oh my God, but now I'm very full. All right, guys, that is everything that I got today to try from the Japanese McDonald's. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, be sure to go check out my TikTok, Miss Remy Ashton, and my Instagram, Miss Remy Ashton, and Cooking with Remy. I've been uploading tons of content on there. And don't forget to go check out my daily Tokyo vlogs over on my vlog channel, Rem Life, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!